Just picture it for a second. You wake up in the morning, roll over, grab your phone, and you see a notification that money just landed in your account. And it's not from your job. It's not from some side hustle. It just showed up. That's the whole promise of passive income. Sounds pretty amazing, doesn't it? But let's be real. Is that scenario actually possible with stocks? Well, the short answer is yes, it is. But, and this is a big but, it's not magic. It takes understanding a very specific system, and that is exactly what we are going to unpack right now. Let's get into it. Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work under the hood? Well, the main engine for passive income from stocks is something called a dividend. Let's break down exactly what that means. So, a dividend is really just a slice of a company's profits. That's it. When a company makes money, it can decide to share a piece of that profit directly with the people who own its stock. That's you, the shareholder. You can almost think of it like a thank you payment for being an owner and believing in their business. And this right here is the key to that whole passive part. You're not sitting there glued to your screen trading all day or trying to time the market. Nope. You get paid simply for owning shares in the right company. Your ownership itself becomes an asset that generates income. Let me make this super clear with a quick, simple example. Let's say you own 1,000 shares in a company, and that company decides to pay a dividend of 10 cents for every share. Well, you just multiply those two numbers, and boom, a payment for $100 shows up in your account. That's it. That is passive income in action. Now, I know what you might be thinking. $100? That's not going to change my life. And you're right, at first. Because now we have to talk about the secret weapon. The thing that makes this strategy so incredibly powerful over time. Compounding. It's so important to set the right expectations from the get-go. When you first start this, your dividend income is probably going to be pretty small, maybe just a few dollars, and that is completely 100% normal. This is not a get-rich-quick plan, it's a get-rich-slowly but surely plan. This is where the real magic happens. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, you earn a little dividend, but instead of just cashing it out, you put it right back in to buy more shares. So now you own a slightly bigger piece of the company, which means the next time they pay a dividend, your payment is a little bit bigger, and you reinvest that, and the cycle just keeps repeating and growing. That is the compounding loop, and over years it can turn tiny, consistent investments into something really substantial. Okay, it's easy to get excited about all this, right? But hold on, we need to hit the brakes for a second and do a crucial reality check. Because while the concept is simple, there are some really important details and risks that you absolutely have to be aware of. So a huge point to understand is that not all companies pay dividends. You can basically split them into two camps. You've got your mature, stable companies, the big, established names. They often have reliable profits, and they choose to share them with you. Then, you've got your younger, high-growth companies. They usually prefer to reinvest every single dollar of profit back into the business to grow as fast as they possibly can. And even though it's called passive, let's be really clear, it is not risk-free. If a company hits a rough patch, it can decide to reduce or even completely stop paying its dividend. The value of the stock itself can also fall, of course. And hey, big picture stuff like a recession can hurt company profits, which is where those dividends come from in the first place. The source material really puts it perfectly. It says this takes time. And we're not talking weeks or months, we're talking years. With this strategy, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a core requirement for building a sustainable income stream that actually lasts. Alright, so we've covered the mechanics, we've gone through the reality checks. So what do you actually do? How do you get started? Let's break it down into a simple, actionable game plan for anyone who's new to this. So the game plan is pretty straightforward. First, you're not looking for the flashy new startup. You are looking for stability. Think about those big, well-known companies. Then, look for a solid history. Have they been paying dividends consistently for years? After that, the key is regularity, not the amount. Just start by investing small amounts, but do it consistently. And always, always remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to keep your focus on the long term. You know, this might actually be the most important part of this whole explainer. The mindset you bring to this is absolutely everything. The question isn't, how fast can I make money? The real question you should be asking is, how can I build a sustainable system that will pay me over time? And that really leads us to this powerful idea. I mean, the ultimate goal of building passive income is to get to a point where your money starts doing the heavy lifting. It's about creating a future where you have more freedom, all because your assets are finally working for you. So let's just end with this thought. The goal here is to give your money a job. So if you started today, using a strategy just like this one, what would that first job be? Something to think about.